Now that the government knows that India does have an indigenous product made by Indians, you will see government agencies, you will see politicians, but there are people from over 1,000 professions on the app, entrepreneurs that are creating products to solve problems that are purely Indian.
There are some people on media, on social media, who are saying that there is some hidden government agenda behind Poo app. Is this true?
There is no, we're a private company. We have our own
No,
investors.
as all the government, means mostly government ministers are coming out and promoting coup openly. So there are some people who are saying that there might be some hidden agenda
So
behind this app.
if the country actually supports their own country's app, what is the problem? As in, there is no problem. There is no hidden agenda. It
You
is
don't.
all open.
So
They're
Sagar,
coming joining us in the open.
yeah, Sagar, it is not. It's not linked to the government. I think there is government support, which is very helpful for a small startup like ours. We're very happy that the government is supporting the Atmanirbhar statement. I think PM Modi spoke about Atmanirbhar last year sometime. There was an open challenge which 7,000 apps participated in and 24 apps were selected, right?
Right.
The government did not even know about our existence till we participated in that particular program. We were identified as one of the winners in that program, and the government understood our problem statement that a large part of the country does not express themselves freely because they speak some native Indian language and they don't have the tools to express themselves in a simple manner. They saw that our product caters to that particular need because we have text. So even if you write in English and if you've selected Marathi, you will see the text in Marathi. We have also given users the ability to record their voice and to record a video. So we have certain features that nobody else is providing to native Indian speakers, right?
Okay.
The government is happy to have seen entrepreneurs like us, and Aprameya and me are both serial entrepreneurs. We both built internet businesses in the past. They understand that India has now got entrepreneurs that are creating products to solve problems that are purely Indian, right? Now, there is a certain event that has occurred in India, right? None of this was imagined that this will happen. We did not know that there'll be a farmers' protest. We did not know that there'll be issues with Twitter, etc. Now that the government knows that India does have an indigenous product made by Indians, they are being the first adopters of that platform. They are being the first users of that platform, right? Every product will always have an initial set of adopters. Our initial set of adopters, we've also had Javagal Srinath, we've had Anil Kumble, we've had so many sports people, we've had Bollywood stars like Ashish Vidyarthi, we've had Ashutosh Rana. These came way before we even won the app challenge. So we've got a lot of early adopters. Unfortunately, a lot of eyes see the politicians first, but we've got lakhs of users. I can tell you names of poets who've got almost 500,000 followers on the platform, right? So a lot of the communities are very, very fresh. They enjoy the content of people of that community. It is not just the government that you see there. You will see government agencies, you will see politicians, but there are people from over 1,000 professions on the app. So, no, there is no linkage with the government. I think government is proud to see an Indian product being created by Indian entrepreneurs for a very specific Indian need.